wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best texture guns. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you're sick of throwing away cans of patching spray, try the Homax touch-up kit. It's useful for fixing minor mistakes where a full-sized option might be overkill. Since it's quite affordable, you'll save some cash and get your desired results at the same time. It comes with popcorn mix and covers up to 15 square feet of wall. However, it can be extremely messy. At number 9, the Hiltex 31229 is a good asset when it comes to remodeling projects. It delivers nice-looking results without requiring a complicated assembly. Just make sure that the joint compound is the right consistency and the airflow is adjusted accordingly. Cleaning it is easy and it includes a handy lock on the trigger, but the ball valve is flimsy. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If you're a contractor with jobs that encompass an entire home, then you already know a tiny hopper isn't going to cut it. The professional-grade Graco texspray RTX can hold up to 13 gallons, and it includes a compressor too. It comes with a 25-foot hose and a corrosion-resistant aluminum gun. However, this one's far too expensive for home DIY use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for texture guns, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Graco 288628 can handle anything from residential refinishing to touch-up work in commercial spaces and offers a variety of spray options for different types of project. It generates plenty of force and dispenses material in a uniform manner. It's lightweight for easy handling and backed by a 1-year limited warranty, but note that this one doesn't come with a hopper. Moving up our list to number 6. Made from strong aluminum, brass and stainless steel components, the Joyway Air should reliably withstand consistent use on professional job sites. It's compatible with an array of air hoses as long as you have the right fittings. It's capable of very fast application and promises an easy disassembly for maintenance. It includes an auxiliary handle on the hopper. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Kraft Tool PC201 comes with multiple air tips, which you can easily swap out for applying various materials in different areas of your site. The hopper has an integrated handle, so it's easier to manage and maneuver. It's made in the United States with a heavy-duty plastic hopper and a ribbed handle on the gun for a solid grip. At number 4, why rent a used sprayer when you can pick up a quality option at such a low price? The Super Buy tool is as effective as many of its far costlier counterparts, even if it doesn't come with a whole bunch of bells and whistles. It's a solid choice for beginners and delivers a uniform spray. It's intuitive and easy to use. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If this were a competition for best product name, the walboard spraying mantis would win hands down. Its performance is impressive as well, delivering consistent patterns with a straightforward design that do-it-yourself folks will appreciate. It offers 3 orifice settings and its sturdy body doesn't leak. It works with most air compressors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for texture guns, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the versatile and highly portable Wagner PowerTex is built with an air turbine that allows you to generate a powerful flow without having to deal with a separate compressor or a bunch of annoying hoses. It comes with 3 nozzles backed by a 1-year warranty. A 3-point stand stabilizes it and it rests comfortably on your arm. It includes a cleaning brush. And coming in at number 1 on our list. Applying the finishing touches to ceilings and the upper portions of walls can be a bit of a challenge, but the Marshalltown Premier Sharpshooter will help you accomplish this with precision. It's a nice value for any handy homeowner. It features a 45-degree angle adapter, a tubular design that minimizes overspray, and an easy-to-use air control valve. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for texture guns, or simply click beneath this video.